Hey! I'm in such a mood right now. I'm just very chaotic right now, but in a great way. So, hey, welcome back. This is me sitting on my floor. I think this is just my new filming spot, me on the floor. I was gonna film me doing, oh my gosh, my voice. I was gonna film me doing my makeup, but then I figured no one cares. So here I am. How are you? Hope you're doing well. What day is it? It's June 30th. It's June 30th. The whole month of June is now over. June 2020 is over. Tomorrow's July 1st. I can't believe 2020 is already halfway over. Do you want to know all of the things I've accomplished? All I've been doing is still signing petitions. Check out my description box so you can sign some too. How is it already July? I don't know. I'm wearing a new lipstick and lip liner. Do you like it or do you hate it? My mom actually got it for me as a present. So sweet. But yeah, I just wanted to do my makeup and get out of my pajamas because the past few days I've just been in a little exhaustion cycle. I've been so tired and just not wanting to move. And I think a big part of that has to do with the heat. Speaking of, if you hear the fan on in the background and it's bothering you, I'm so sorry. I'm just sweating from every crevice and crack of my body right now. So I really just wanted to paint my nails. So I thought we could do that together and just talk. So months and months and months ago, I asked on Twitter what nail polish doesn't chip, because I have certain stages where I'll be able to grow out my nails to an okay length, and I get really inspired to do my own nails, and I'll spend hours doing them and perfecting them and cleaning them up, and then an hour later they chip off. So I asked Twitter, hey, do you know of any nail polishes that do not chip? And for the most part, I either got Holo Taco or Lights Lacquer. I'm a huge Kathleen Lights fan, so I wanted to support her. Not that I'm not a Simply Nailogical fan, I just don't watch her videos as often as I do Kathleen's. So anyways, long story short, I finally bought some Lights Lacquer. Okay, let me just show you the colors I got first and tell me what color you think I should paint my nails, and then I'll paint them right now. I got this shade. This is called Mila. I got this pretty little thing. This kind of matches my shirt. And this is called Cold Turkey. I got this color and it's called Lila. I think I actually wanted Matilda when I ordered these, but I got Lila instead because I don't know, it's hard shopping for things online. Lighting is always different. It always looks different on you. It's fine. And I got this beautiful chocolatey brown called Olivia. I have tried these and everyone was like, they don't chip. It takes like a full 2 weeks for it to chip. Maybe I'm just applying it wrong. Maybe I just use my hands too much. But I have been experiencing some chipping. So I've been trying to do little experiments and see if maybe I need a base coat or if my top coat is wrong. And then Lights Lacquer actually came out with a base coat and a top coat and a whole new summer collection with really fun colors. And I'm just sitting here thinking about and being tempted by using Afterpay to buy some new nail polish. If you've tried the Lights Lacquer specific base coat and top coat, tell me what you think about it. Is it worth it? Because it's $22 for both. But if it's worth it and if it'll make the nail polishes last, I'll do it. I will do anything for a serotonin boost. I'm kind of feeling Cold Turkey or Olivia. I think I'm gonna do Wait, I haven't shown you how long my nails are. At any feeling of stress, the first thing I do is immediately attack my nails, and I'll bite all of them off until they're stubs. So I've been working on that, and this is how far I've come. You really can't see, can you? This is like monumental length for me, so I'm really proud of myself. I think I'm gonna do cold turkey to match my shirt and be fun. This time I'm not gonna do a base coat. This is the base coat I have, let me find it. So the only base coat that I have in my nail collection is this. It's by China Glaze and it's called Strong Adhesion Base Coat. Have you used it? Is it garbage? Is this why my nails are chipping? Let me know. I guess I'm just gonna paint like this so you can see what I'm doing and I'm not weirdly looking down at my legs. So how the heck are you? I released my first true crime video yesterday, which I talked about in a few videos ago, that I really just want to start doing true crime videos on my channel because they're one of my favorite styles of videos to watch, and I think they're important. And I really put in a lot of effort because I wanted it to be well spoken and I wanted to make sure that I had all the facts correct as best as I could, and I just wanted to deliver the story in a proper way. And ooh, YouTube shut me down. Basically, as soon as I published it, I was informed that, I don't remember the words they used, but they were just saying that there's gonna be limited ads on this because it's not suitable for all viewers, which I don't know why I was surprised at all, because you can't even say anything on YouTube anymore. But it's just kind of annoying how certain videos are up and are able to just be up and be really inappropriate. And me trying to share some knowledge, you know, I get shut down. So there's that. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna still keep making them because I thoroughly enjoy it. I'm currently researching my next story, so hopefully it'll be out soon. It's just the way that YouTube is really confuses me sometimes. Okay, first hand done, what do we think? Kind of matches my wall. Very fun. It always seems as though when you have no money, or if you're trying to save money, that's when you want to go shopping the most, or it seems as though things that you really like are just out and about the most. But then when you actually do have money that you're able to spend on yourself, nothing seems to be really available or catching your eye. At least that's the case with me. So lately I've just really been wanting to go shopping for some new clothes because it's been so long since I've done that. And since moving, I've just gotten rid of so much stuff that I don't know what happened to my clothes. I mean, it's not like I need it. It's not like I'm going anywhere and doing stuff. I'm in pajamas all the time, but it would be nice to have clothes that make me feel good. I saw that Skims came out with this new collection called the Butter Collection. And if you don't know what Skims is, it's Kim Kardashian's clothing line, I guess, but she mostly just sells shapewear and loungewear and underwear. I've been seeing this Butter collection all over social media and it looks so nice. Like, it kind of reminds me of the way Lululemons are, how that one legging they have is so soft and melty and buttery. I just imagine that that's what the Butter collection is like. They had a few things that I was really into, and I even signed up for early access because I really wanted to get a bodysuit because it just looked so good, and I haven't bought clothes in so long, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna treat myself. And so I got the email and I was able to go shop it early because I signed up for the wait list. And I get there and the bodysuit is $68. Now, I don't know about you. I also don't know about the Skims quality. Maybe it's actually worth the $68. I don't know. I couldn't do it. I couldn't bring myself to do it. I was even gonna do Afterpay because Afterpay lets you pay for things in small little increments instead of the full shebang, but I still couldn't do it. I wanted 2 bodysuits in 2 different colors, and I wanted a pair of shorts, and the total was about $200, and I said, now, we're gonna stop ourselves. Times are tough. I just can't, just like not personally at that level to where I can spend $200 on just 3 items. Even though they might be excellent quality, that I don't know. Like if it was a basic that's not gonna fade or pill or, you know, get weird on me, then I would highly consider it. But I don't know much about Skims, so if you've tried it, let me know. Is it worth it? Because they're so expensive, but the thing is, they sell out of everything anytime they drop something, so it must be good. I don't know. I hope you're not bored right now. I'm sorry I don't have more exciting things going on. I just chill at home every single day. Oh my gosh, how did I forget to mention this? I have been thinking about getting my master's. I don't want to talk about it, but I will. I have a bachelor's degree in communications, and that area is so broad. So I've been thinking about getting a master's degree. Online, of course, because, you know, the pandemic. So, just struggling with whether or not I should do it or not. What if I do it and in 2 years or however long it takes, I'm back in this situation again? I can't see myself making it out of that. So I would just like you to send good vibes so I can make the right decision. Okay, here's my nails. Should I do a top coat? Probably. That's the one place that you find 7th heaven. Who remembers 7th heaven? Didn't the dad in 7th heaven end up being a creep? Probably every single person seems to be a creep these days. What's the deal with that? Maybe one day, you know, when this pandemic is over and I'm back home in California, I can be that good YouTuber where I have a life, I'm booked and busy, I have things to do, places to go, places to show you. Until then, you're just gonna have to bear with me. I think we should play the TMI tag game that is on Instagram. That's really just an Instagram filter. I'm gonna make that into a game right now. So let's play. Yes, I have, and it was really damaging for my mental health. So probably not gonna do that again anytime soon. Yes, and it was just my own mind being stupid because there was no way I could have been. So what is the major physical trait you look for in a partner? Physical, I like juicy lips. I like nice smiles and eyes. Being disrespectful. Yes, I have. My whole life. Pretty much my whole existence. Okay, yes, I already admitted it. How many times are you gonna ask me this? If you are still here, I just want to say how much I love and appreciate you. Thank you so much for being here and being a part of the emotional roller coaster that is my YouTube channel. It's a lot, and I'm very thankful for you. I hope you had fun with me. I hope this was a sweet and short little distraction. I love you. Bye.